You're most welcome to our free online school, SkillBridge Institute. This time around, we'll be discussing about Gantt charts and project scheduling tools. A Gantt chart, it is a picture or document which shows all the tasks, their durations, and how those tasks are depending on each other in a project. It has got the horizontal bars. Those ones, they represent tasks on a calendar. When you're doing website development, you may have things like designing, coding, as well as testing. So when they're being represented on a Gantt chart, they are supposed to have deadlines as well as how those tasks are depending on each other. Let's talk the importance of Gantt charts. Number one, it is easy to see how the timelines are presented for various tasks in a project. It is very easy to track the progress of a project using Gantt charts. There is good connection of various tasks when you're using a Gantt chart. There is that good communication between the stakeholders as well as your team members when your project has been planned using a Gantt chart. Let us talk of project scheduling tools. So these are simply softwares which are used in planning, tracking, as well as managing project schedules. Example of these softwares, we have got Microsoft Project. So this one, it is very comprehensive when you want to write Gantt chart and other tracking tools. You can also have another one that is Asana. So this one, it is user friendly. Then you have got Trello. So this one, it is very easy to organize tasks when you are using this software. From there, we have got another one which is known as Smartsheet. So this one, it has got the spreadsheet functions just like Excel. Then I've got Excel as well as Google Sheet. So this one, it is very simple to use whenever you want to write the Gantt charts. What are the benefits of using these particular softwares? Number one, it is easy to see the deadlines of a project and how those tasks are depending on each other in a project. The other one is that it is very easy to track progress of a project. There is that good communication and collaboration among the team members when you are using these softwares because it is very easy for you to manage a project. Let's talk about the key components of Gantt chart. One, you have got the activities or the tasks which are supposed to be completed in a project. Then there are deadlines for various tasks. There are bars. So those bars, they represent duration on a calendar. From there are some arrows which connects different bars. So those ones, they show how different tasks are depending on each other. From there is a milestone. So a milestone, that is a key event, or whenever that can also be referred to as an end of phase within a project. How do we create a Gantt chart? Number one, you need to list all the tasks which are supposed to be done in a project. From there, you need to estimate the duration for each task. Then you need to set the dependencies, or you need to describe how those tasks are depending on each other. From there, you should take your computer or your smartphone and install a software which you're going to use, whether Asana, Trello, Microsoft Project, and start punching in those details. when you are doing your project, make sure that you should be tracking how your project is going using that particular software which you have punched in the Gantt chart to see the progress. Let's talk about best practices for Gantt chart. 1. Ensure that it is simple so that everybody can be able to understand. So just focus on the tasks as well as the milestones. Ensure that all your team members are involved when you are writing a Gantt chart so that everybody is very much clear, or he or she clearly understands what is happening in a project. There should be tracking. So you should be tracking your project, how your project is faring. You should have that capacity of monitoring it and tracking it. Have that flexibility to adjust if adjustments are needed in that project. Make sure that you integrate tools. So on that one, you should be able to combine calendar with the tracking tools. So make sure that you're combining the calendar with those softwares when you are writing your Gantt chart. Here is an example of a Gantt chart. So in the first column, we have got tasks. So here, of course, we are talking about steps, but they are simply tasks. Here you have got the date when you are starting those tasks, and here you have the date when you are finishing those tasks. Here you have got a work breakdown structure. So these are simply tasks. So task 1, you can see that here is also work breakdown structure 1. On this upper bar, you have got a calendar. So it's from January up to July. Then here you have got the horizontal bars, which are representing tasks on a calendar. So for example, these tasks, which is task 1, which is represented by this black bar, it is starting from somewhere January and it is ending early March. That means this task is taking that duration. Then the next task is starting somewhere late January, early February. Then it is ending somewhere mid-March. And you can even check these other remaining bars. From there, you have got these lines which are connecting different tasks. So those are lines which are showing the dependencies between those different tasks. Then here I've got a star. This star is denoting a milestone. So for example, you have finished a certain phase. So that means whenever you are going to finish this task number 3, that means between task 3 and task 4, you are going to finish a certain phase. So that is a milestone. So that is how we can write, or that is how you can write a Gantt chart as a project manager. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.